The rules of software engineering have changed. The golden ticket promise of the last 2 decades, it's been quietly revoked. This is your 2026 survival guide. You've been told software engineering is dead, that I took your job before you even started. Stop listening to the panic. The game isn't over. The rules have just been rewritten. The global tech market isn't shrinking. It's heavily restructuring toward massive, high-value projects. What is the new reality? Companies are spending billions, but the budget priorities have fundamentally changed. The capital is there, but it's allocated for scale, security, and automated infrastructure, not for thousands of entry-level coders writing basic boilerplate. The era of mass entry-level hiring is dead. The market is brutally congested, and you are now competing directly against AI efficiency. Let's be clear about the biggest mistakes you can make right now by relying on outdated skill sets. Relying entirely on being a front-end-only developer is a critical mistake. I can generate basic React UI components in seconds, making that skill set dangerously exposed. The blind LeetCode grind and building toy applications won't save you either. If your code doesn't solve a business problem, it is invisible. So where is the critical demand? You need to look beneath the surface layer of the software stack. The critical shortage is in the deep machinery: backend engineering, cloud and platform engineering, DevOps, and cybersecurity. These areas are exploding. Companies don't need code monkeys to write simple functions. They need systems architects who can build secure, scalable microservice architectures. This is your exact survival roadmap. 4 phases to transform your skill set for the AI era. Phase 1, pragmatic data structures. Understand why a specific structure prevents a database from crashing under heavy load. Focus on memory footprints, not just puzzle. Phase 2, master the enterprise backend stack. Pick C# with .NET Core, Java with Spring, or optimize Node, JS, and Python. Focus on multi-threading and real-time APIs. Phase 3, deep data. Master Postgres for relational integrity, and integrate Redis for high-performance in-memory caching to handle scale. Phase 4, cloud and infrastructure. Learn AWS or Azure fundamentals, containerize with Docker, and automate deployments using GitHub Actions. Infrastructure is now non-negotiable. The modern job market also demands a new approach to AI utilization and interviewing. Do not fight the AI. Harness it to write boilerplate and generate unit tests. Your job is now code review, security auditing, and architectural oversight. You are the director. Engineering managers expect you to understand system design. Be ready to discuss load balancers and caching strategies when asked how your API handles 10,000 requests per second. To secure the interview, your GitHub must showcase real, deployed, enterprise-style systems. Include architecture diagrams and clear CI/CD logs. Contribute to open source. Software engineering is not dead. The weak skill sets are dying. Adapt your architecture, master the new rules, and build something that truly matters to dominate the next decade.